Today, the hyper SUV we are going to talk about has created a new storm in the automotive world. Lamborghini Urus has already been one of the most loved and successful super SUVs globally. But now the company has brought forward a new and more powerful avatar, and that is the Lamborghini Urus SE PHEV. This is not just a petrol-guzzling beast, but a plug-in hybrid machine offering a brilliant combination of luxury, performance, and future technology. In our view, this upgrade is a bold and smart move for Lamborghini because it delivers the exact same raw power and aggressive thrill that Lamborghini is known for, without any compromise on environment-friendly regulations. In today's video, we will discuss every single aspect of this car in detail, analyze its engine, performance, and design, and see whether it truly lives up to its hype or not. So, let's get started. Chapter 1. Design Changes and Camouflage Evolution. When we look at the design of this new Lamborghini Urus SE PHEV, the aggressive stance and subtle visual tweaks catch the eye first. Although heavy camouflage wraps have been spotted on test prototypes, its new Matrix LED headlights and redesigned front bumper have sharpened its look even further. We believe that Lamborghini has kept the design mostly evolutionary this time, meaning the old Urus DNA remains completely safe. But some modern refinement has definitely been added to make it look even more imposing on the road. Its aerodynamically optimized bodywork and new alloy wheel designs prove that the brand is moving towards modernization without moving away from its classic aggressive look. Chapter 2. The PHEV powertrain and engine specs. The true game changer of this car is its heart, which is its plug-in hybrid powertrain. Inside, it features a powerful 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine working alongside an electric motor. Speaking of the total output, this system generates roughly 789 horsepower, which is a massive jump compared to older models. In our opinion, this hybrid setup not only takes performance to the next level, but also serves as an excellent option for drivers who want electric efficiency during daily city driving and crave the pure V8 roar as soon as they hit the highway. Chapter 3. Performance, Speed, and Driving Dynamics. When it comes to performance, this car gives direct competition to any supercar. Despite carrying such a heavy battery and electric system, its acceleration and top speed are astonishingly brilliant. This SUV can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. We would like to say that, although some old purists believe the hybrid system increases weight slightly, Lamborghini's engineering team has managed the weight distribution so wonderfully that handling around corners suffers no negative impact, and its all-wheel drive system provides ultimate grip on the road. Chapter 4. Interior Luxury and Technology Upgrades. Stepping inside, this car gives the feel of a futuristic cockpit. Its interior is a stellar fusion of high-tech digital screens and the finest Italian leather. This time, Lamborghini has made the infotainment system even more user-friendly and upgraded driver-focused features. In our view, in terms of luxury and comfort, this Urus has turned out to be the finest model yet, where even long-distance road trips cause no fatigue, and every single control rests right beneath the driver's fingertips. Chapter 5. Market competition and positioning. When you build such a luxury hybrid hyper SUV, the competition naturally comes from the world's biggest brands, including the Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid and Bentley Bentayga. We understand that Lamborghini's style and brand value stand in a completely different league. While competing brands are also highly advanced, the road presence and emotional connection delivered by a Urus are hard for anyone else to match. Its pricing and exclusivity make it a distinct status symbol. Chapter 6. Environmental Shift versus Pure Petrol Soul. A major question that often crosses the minds of car enthusiasts is whether adopting hybrid technology is ruining Lamborghini's true soul. We want to state clearly that in the direction the world is heading, facing strict emission laws is a necessity for every brand. However, Lamborghini has handled this transition so gracefully that they have maintained the car's power and aggressive nature even while making it eco-friendly. This is a balanced approach that is both the need of the hour and will serve as an example for other manufacturers moving forward. In the end, we will just say that the Lamborghini Urus SE PHEV is not merely a car, but a brilliant proof of the changing era in the automotive industry. It is an example of how a brand can adopt modern technology while preserving its heritage and raw power. If you have the resources and want an SUV that delivers track-level performance alongside family comfort, this can prove to be an outstanding choice for you. We hope you liked today's video. If you found this analysis great, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Take great care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.